Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'll be doing a review and unboxing of the TP-Link long-range Bluetooth USB adapter, the UB500 Plus. Now, this one has a very large antenna, so I'm guessing the range of this one will be very far away compared to the normal ones that basically does not have an antenna. So at the back over here, you guys can see all the devices you can connect this towards, and yes guys, you can connect it to a PlayStation controller on your PC if you want to do that, because I always use my PS5 controller on my PC and it works very good with these TP-Link adapters. So over here at the back, or the side you could say, is some of the specifications of this adapter. So we're quickly gonna get into the unboxing before I test this out for you guys. Now the unboxing is gonna be very fast. As you guys can see over here, if you open up the box, you're immediately greeted with the UB500 Plus adapter. And then of course two papers over here. I'm guessing this is if you need help. This is the support website, or you do get the instructions at the back guys. But first let's have a look at the adapter over here, and it looks very good so far guys. Let's hope the performance keeps up with the looks. And this is basically the instruction manual. This is where you can basically pause the video and check out if you want to install some Bluetooth drivers or anything. But normally it's just plug and play. As you guys can see, my PC does not have Bluetooth, but that is why I did get this adapter guys. I'm gonna show you guys how this works. You can plug it into your motherboard. I'm just gonna plug it in here at the top of my PC for the sake of the video. But as you plug it into your PC, you can basically see over here on my screen recording, the Bluetooth is now available. Of course, I did basically connect it prior to this video, so that is why I have some Bluetooth devices on there. But over here you guys could see this is basically a clip of the UB500 Nano, just to show you guys it can, these adapters basically works with your controller on your PC if you basically want to play some Fortnite or anything like that with Bluetooth without the boring cable. The input delay is very good. This is basically the one I did use, but now guys I need one with longer range unfortunately, so that is why I got the UB500 Plus. Now I will link this in the description of this video. You guys can check it out on Amazon if you guys are interested. But so far I've seen this adapter basically gets about 20 meters to 30 meters of coverage. Now I didn't test above 30 meters unfortunately, but I think it will probably still maybe go a little bit further, who knows. But this adapter is very good. It basically has a lot of more range compared to the UB500 Nano. That one literally was like 10 meters, 5 meters, it will start cutting out audio, stuff like that. But it's a close-up adapter. This one is for longer range, guys, so that's what this one is for. Very happy with it so far. Honestly, no problem with this adapter. You can connect multiple devices, earbuds, controllers, keyboards, and mice at the same time, which is pretty cool, on one adapter with no lag. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and this review. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.